Oh, planes.
I want to see Echo and Bravo.
Echo and Bravo.
Echo, Bravo.
Two guys.
Those are their names.
Yeah.
You ready?
It's Christmas time.
Oh yeah, I remember.
No, it's me.
Yeah. Here, wrap it. Unwrap it like crazy, hard.
Just rip it.
Rip. It's okay. Okay, rip. Hard. Like you
There
rip a
you
book
go.
up.
Look at that, you
Oh,
got new
those are
shoes.
Awesome. Those are rad.
Those
Is it
are
cool?
awesome shoes.
Do you want to wear them?
No.
Today?
Yeah.
And that one is.
Oh. Gideon's gonna be screaming. Gideon is.
Oh! Told ya, I knew it. That's why I wanted to duct tape my mouth, so I knew it.
Mama, me.
Yay, Iron Man! It's an Iron Man doll! When I make, I'm gonna get an Iron Patriot.
Me and Mama.
Yay! You like it?
Awesome.
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Can you show me your fire truck book?
Hold on. Here, get in. Hold it up. I don't know how.
Can you show me that? Cool. Happy birthday.
Gideon, can I have a hug?
Mama, this.
You're welcome for the Iron Man doll.
Mama, this is. Mama, no, this.
Is that the fireman on there?
Yeah.
All right.